As Tucson Police are on the scene of a giant sinkhole in Midtown. This opened up at the intersection of Oracle and Auto Mall Drive. Here's a See It, Snap It, Send It picture from the scene. You can see that giant hole in the ground. And take a look at this picture. Part of this utility truck just swallowed up into the ground. KOLD News 13's Chris Holmstrom live on the scene with the latest. Chris.
That's exactly right, Heather. A giant sinkhole, as you can see from that picture that was sent there. Right across from the Tucson Mall, as you can see, Tucson Water is working hard to fix a water main that just broke. And if you see on the left-hand side, that is the water main, a new water main pipe that they just actually brought into this area. Tucson Police say that it happened around 2:45. An electrical crew was working on the intersection when they hit a water line. They noticed water seeping out. That's when Tucson Water Inspector came to the scene, parked the car on the side of the road, and the car ended up falling into a massive sinkhole. That sinkhole is about 15 by 15 or 15 by 20, and it's about 6 feet deep. As for traffic, Oracle Road is restricted to 2 lanes, and there is no traffic going on the North Auto Mall Drive. And they're also redirecting Suntran patients and letting them, or Suntran customers, and letting them know to take Wetmore because Auto Mall Drive will be closed throughout the rest of the night. As for businesses, only one business was affected, and that's the Chick-fil-A right behind me. They currently have no water going through, and they are telling customers that they will be closed for the rest of the day, but we'll try to open back up tomorrow, and we'll be sure to give you the latest as new information becomes available. Reporting live from Midtown, I'm Chris Holmstrom, KOLD News 13, live local late breaking.